Okay, we are at 14 Tree Haven Lane in Stafford, Virginia for Debbie. We're doing our second repair attempt. We did one already. Allstate asked us to use the roof snake, which not a big fan of because the nail that holds the tool that holds the nail, the snake, has a lip on it right here, as you can see. So even when you use it, the nail does not go all the way down, still requiring you to lift the shingle a little bit to put the nail in. We'll use the roof snake and see if there's any different reaction compared to the first video that I believe showed some damage during the repair. So let us set up our camera and we will get to it. Still leaving the shingle up from the lip. Using this, but we will. Again, the roof snake. Again, there's still a lip right here. from the nail. Again, still having to lift the shingles up still because of the lip on the roof snake. It is not able to go flush with everything down. Still a little bit of a lip. Still gotta put it down. Okay, as you can see even from this video, as well as the first one, as you see this casing going across right there and there from the repair we did right here, that shingle and that shingle. And again, the shingle still needed lifted because of the lip on the roof snake. It still needs to be lifted up in order for us to swing a hammer to make sure that nail is flush. So we'll send this back to Allstate after using the roof snake, which they recommended, and see what they think. Thank you.